history, and that for you as an individual, posterity will remember you because you brought this matter to the floor of the House. But however, there's a challenge for some of them. They are asking if Parliament has the authority to direct an arm of government, which is the judiciary, to comply with the directive of admitting the 499 student into the law school.
Well, I think the terms of our resolution are very clear. We are not directing the judiciary to do something irregular. The directive is to the General Legal Counsel.
Which is under the judiciary.
The directive is to the General Legal Counsel. And we are saying that they, as a body, advertise the terms of the examination to the extent that there had been reliance on same. Legitimate expectation had been so created, and that they cannot post facto vary such terms. Our directive is to the effect that they should respect those terms. Once you say that 50% is the minimum mark to pass for the law school, so be it. You cannot now introduce some specifics as to how you want the 50% to be obtained. Now you say your exam is in 2 sections, you should have gotten 50% in each section. Please, how did you come to the conclusion that somebody would get a certain mark out of 100%? So it's a simple matter, and we believe that if our lawyers who are members of the General Legal Counsel and our Chief Justice, who is the head of the General Legal Counsel, and they respect the rule of law, and they know that one key thing about rule of law is certainty, there should be no problem at all in complying with this resolution. We are not interfering in a judicial process. We are not interfering in the work of the judiciary. Parliament, with its oversight mandate, is exercising same, and we are acting in the public interest. If Parliament, as representative of the people, cannot have a word in this, then I don't see how democracy can operate.
See, but correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, I mentioned that the General Legal Counsel is under the Judiciary, which is an independent body of arm of government as well. Parliament is an arm of government as well, and the executive. So there are those who are saying
don't oversimplify the matter by saying General Legal Counsel is under the Judiciary and that you are interfering in the work of an arm of government. You are oversighting, and when you oversight, one of your duties is to direct the wrong to be corrected. And that's what we've done. Any person who is paying attention to it will have no difficulty at all in what we have done. Thank you so much.
But the Speaker was clear that the AG should ensure the full compliance of it. How soon?
Of course, because the
should this be done?
AG is a supervising minister. Our directive was to the effect that same must be enforced forthwith. And AG should ensure that the needful is done.
What if there's a breach of the directive?
Well, we cannot anticipate a breach. The laws of this country are clear. The Constitution is clear. If you disrespect the orders of Parliament, the consequences are there. So we don't want to be crossing the bridge until we get to it. We are not in any banter. It must be made. The point must be made here. We are not in any banter. We are all fighting for the common good. We want there to be equity. We want there to be fairness. We want there to be justice. We want to see rule of law in its form and shape being respected. That is all. So we don't want to create an impression that we are fighting. And for that matter, if you don't do it, we will hold you before Parliament and proceed with contempt against you and all. No. We expect that these things are about the lives of Ghanaians. And we are not asking for more. We are only asking for what has already been stated to be respected. Thank you so much.